Good everybody. This is the same similar project to the one that we had earlier on. What's different is that it's in two microprocessor. Two microprocessor. It's a Wemos and it's a D1 Mini Pro. So what's happened here is when the cube hit one of the side, in this case this side, on my left side, the red light goes on. When he hits the right side, the green light goes on. Okay, instead of having it on the same processor, I made it separately. And just to see how slow, there is a point where, you can see it gets very slow when you communicate with the lights. With the LED, when he hits, see, now stops, and so on. But it's an interesting exercise, and it's also good for a school project. And, I think it's fun to play around with the graphic lit up LED. And the code, everything will be posted on the website. This will be the code. And there will be two files, one next to each other. One will be for the OLED, for the LED, and the other one will be for the OLED display, the screen display. Okay, guys, you have a good day. Thank you very much, and giving me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Bye.